Alright, so this video is going to be a reverse challenge. So all the eye brushes I'll be using as face brushes, and all the face brushes I'll be using as eye brushes. I don't know what I'm going to call this challenge. It was actually suggested to me by a subscriber, one of my followers on Snapchat, for me to do this challenge, and I'm just like, okay, let's get it done. So I don't know why I didn't iron, so let me just go and grab some clean brushes, because all of these are dirty. Just looking at this, I know it is going to be extremely difficult for me to do. Got some clean eye brushes. My face brushes are dirty, meaning I used them already. But alright, I need to comb through my brows. Right, so I'm going to use this brush. Oh no, I need a stiffer brush. So I use this brush to do my color correcting. So I'm going to use this brush to brush through my brows. Alright, then I'm going to fill in my brows naturally, normally.
I speak and I show love. The Bible says the hearts of men are desperately wicked. Matthew 5 verse 4.
Alright, so then I'm going to be cleaning up my brows using the same brush. It's the smallest face brush that I own. Alright, I'm going to be using Fawn. Fawn to do this. As just so you know, I'm not deliberately trying to mess this up. Like, I really want to do this.
But I say unto you, love your enemies. Bless them that curse you. Do good to those that hate you. Music's chosen. Me heart clean, yeah, like the jelly water. Yeah, jelly water. Sweet jelly water. Hey, me heart clean, yeah, like the jelly water. Yeah, jelly water. Sweet jelly water. From Kingston, Jamaica. From you come across the Prince of Peace.
Alright, so I don't even know how long my brows took, because I'm pretty sure I sped through that. I don't know, but I must say they came out really good. Alright, so next I'm going to move on to color correcting. Color correcting. So I'm not going to be putting on a primer today, only because I don't want to waste my primer, because I'm just doing this for you guys. I'm not going to be going out on the road looking a hot mess. I'm so nervous. Like, I just know it's not going to look good. I'm just like, I was nervous about my brows, and my brows came out on point, which I'm like, okay, maybe this can be done. The good thing is that with our Pro Me in Paradise collection, where is it? There's this big brush. It's an eye brush, but it's good now because I can use it for my foundation. So let me use something else. I'm going to use this for my face, because the face brushes are for eyes and the eyes brushes are for face. So I'm going to use this to blend out, which is not bad. Alright, I mean, just blending out.
When them criticize are the least, me not come on this for earthly rewards. My blessing coming from a higher place, but the hurt is the Lord's, and the fullness thereof. So me a pray for my brother and my sister, them wicked heart get clear.
Alright, so next I'm going to be going with my foundation. Is the Mary Kay Time Wise. Yo, my brows though, on fleek. Yo, if anything, my brows are my favorite part of this. So I normally, this is when I'm doing my foundation. Oh, this may not be bad. I think the bad part going to come when I have to do my eyes. Alright. Okay. So let's blend.
Yeah, like the jelly water. Yeah, jelly water. Sweet jelly water. Hey, me heart clean. Yeah, like the jelly water. Yeah, jelly water. Sweet, sweet jelly water from Kingston, Jamaica. Remember God is love, yeah, God is love. So why we can't share back with daddy's love to one another, yeah, one another. Make we pray and help we brother climb the ladder. Every day, we driven by the Almighty. Even though the devil him still a fight me, me no care who the guy be. And a prayer warrior God beside me, yeah. Me heart clean, yeah, like the jelly water, yeah, jelly water.
Alright guys, I don't like how it's looking at all. It looks very patchy. But my brows are on flick, dog. Can we not say that my brows are on flick, boo? So whatever's left on my hand from doing my brows, I'm going to use it to highlight. But I'm not going crazy with it at all because I have no confidence in this look whatsoever. Alright, you know what? I'm okay, fine. Okay, I'm going to be adding my concealer, my Toast from Black Opal over this.
Sweet, sweet jelly water. Hey, me heart clean, yeah, like the jelly water, yeah, jelly water. Sweet, sweet jelly water from Kingston, Jamaica. Keep me safe, oh God. You are my refuge, cause troubles will multiply.
So to set my highlighted area, I'm going to use Ben Nye Banana Powder. And then for my all over, I'm going to use my Black Opal Classic Espresso. I will show you guys what it looks like, but it looks horrible. Yeah, so you know what? I'm going to apply my highlight with this brush.
For those who chase other gods, I will not take part in their sacrifices of blood. You are my master, and I trust in you. May heart clean, yeah, like the jelly water, yeah, jelly water. Sweet, sweet jelly water. Hey, may heart clean, yeah, like the jelly water, yeah, jelly water. Sweet, sweet jelly water from Kingston, Jamaica. I command the Holy Spirit to take control of this place. His will is in my heart, yes Lord. Let there be no backlash or disgrace, yes Lord. I know my time on this earth is just for a little while, but in the meantime, Almighty God, yes Lord, just protect your little child. Keep me safe, Lord. Me heart clean, yeah, like the jelly water, yeah, jelly water.
Okay, it's not the coverage that I would want, but it's not that bad, right? Alright, so next we're going to move on to the eyes. Oh Lord, and the good thing is for my Pomade in Paradise, this is actually a face brush, but I can use it because it's so, I can use it to fit right in here. So I'm grabbing my Shades by Gal contour palette, going with this brown hair, and then going in my crease. My God, it's so big. Okay, alright, okay, then I'm going to be doing I'm going to set my brow bone using the same contour palette. I think I over anticipated this challenge. I really think I did. I over anticipated this challenge. Because I'm like manipulating the brushes. Whoop, covered some other thing there. Going back in. Alright, just to kind of clean up a bit. Alright, then I'm going to be going on my lid, and I'll be using this color from, this is my Z palette, and I have like my Mary Kay eyeshadows in here and my Makeup Geek eyeshadows. This color is called Amber Blaze, and it's from Mary Kay, and I get all my Mary Kay stuff from Fontana Pharmacy. So I'll be grabbing my Amber Blaze. Alright guys, so where's my other brush? So I just had something to eat while I was waiting for my battery to recharge. Didn't recharge enough, so I'm going over my mouth with this here. It's not blending out here a little bit. You know, I have to say this is not bad. This is not bad at all. Not bad. Alright, so when I left off, I was going to do my eyeshadow with this here. This is Amber Blaze from Mary Kay. So I'm using the corner of the brush. Guys, I just want you to know that this look is going to be very minimalistic. Very. Because I don't want to mess up. Then for my happy area, I'm going to be using Crystalline from Mary Kay as well, pinching the brush. Put that in my happy area. Then I'm going to be going in with Corrupt by Makeup Geek. Oh no, dig into my eyeshadow. Look, it's under my nail. So I'm going with Corrupt, Makeup Geek. Alright, cleaning that off a little bit. Then just pinching the brush and blending this down. Alright, very minimalistic. Okay, alright, let's go. Black eyeliner, scraping away at my soul. Alright, and once you add lashes, it won't look so bad. So my lashes that I'll be using are Fashionista from my lash line, still available on pommebylyric.com. Should have probably cleaned off the glue first. Where's my tweezer? Alright, so this lash is wonky because it was in my bag, and when I found it, it was folded in half and flat, so it's yeah. I mean, just the struggles. Am I right? So next, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using the same brush that I've been using to do my bed night to set everywhere, and I'm going to use that same brush to do my highlights. This is LA Girl Strobe Light Strobing Powder. This is in 40 watt. And it's a drugstore product, which means I got it at Fontana Pharmacy. All in all, I won't lie, this challenge was pretty cool. Like, I can go out like this. This challenge was pretty cool. I like it. I love it. Thank you so much for suggesting that I do it. It's just right here, so this thing is not fully blended out, but for what I had to work with, I like it. Look at, ooh, that's so pretty. And of course, LA Girls Drugstore, y'all know it's Fontana Pharmacy. This is so nice. This is really nice. Alright, eyes. Okay, so I use this to do my foundation. Yes, this to do my foundation. So I'm gonna use this to my blush, and my blush is Rosy Glow from Lorac Pro. I am obsessed. Oh my gosh, I've never used it that much before. I'm obsessed with this blush. Obsessed. I love it. So one thing I did not do was low light. I only low lighted my nose. I didn't go in like the hollows of my cheek or whatever. So let me just go ahead and do it in there. Grabbing my Shades by Gel again. This is so nice. I'm just going to go around here to get rid of this halo. Good. See, it's kind of gone. This is so good. Alright then, let me shut up. What am I going to do for my lip thief? Okay, so I'm going to be going in with, what is the name? Maybelline New York 650. It's called Nude Embrace. Then line my lips lightly with my brown eyeliner pencil, just lightly. Okay dokie, so the brown was just, it looks a little bit too much, so I'm going back over it with the 650 Nude Embrace. Yes. 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 Ooh, ooh. No, stand up and clap. Stand up and clap. I did it and the look looks amazing except this wonky eyelash. Guys, when you can't pray for me, why don't pray for my eyelash? Not something against my eyelash. I love this look so much. I cannot believe I did this. I can legit shoot a video like this, like legit. This is, I love it, you guys. I love it. I'm in love. I love it. I wish I could remember her name. If I can't find her, I'll post it in in the video of who suggested me to do this, but this is killer. Look at how straight my nose is. I mean, sure, it needs to be blended out a bit. Just blend that there. Yeah. I love it. I love it. It's so pretty. Girl, she's fast. I will no talent go. I will no skill go. Where it going? Nowhere. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. Alright, so I think I'm going to be low lighting under here as well. I mean, okay, so the key to this challenge is to just be creative, because nobody, I'm sure when y'all saw me bust out that that foundation brush, you're like, look at this here, look at this fool, look at this. Somebody come look at this. Yo, but it looks good. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, you guys. Thank you for requesting this look. I hope so you love it. I hope so you share it to the family members. I hope so it entertain you know. You're big up on yourself. Oh, we no talent ago. Where it going?